Welcome to exploring the elements of a query. This tutorial creates a foundation for your issue finding skills by defining some key words and concepts that are used in Jira Query Language. In this JQL tutorial series, you learn to find specific issues in Jira using both basic and advanced searches, both of which use certain elements that define the makeup of the queries. Queries are made up of one or more clauses, and clauses in turn are typically made up of fields, operators, and values. In this tutorial, we take a closer look at what each of these elements means, in addition to exploring one other element, keywords. Let's start with fields. Remember that in Jira, the issues data is stored in fields. You create queries based upon those fields. For example, you can look for issues created before a certain date, or assigned to a certain person, or that have an attachment. In these cases, you search the created, assignee, and attachment fields respectively. Bear in mind that different fields can store different types of information. For example, the created field stores dates, and the attachment field stores files like images and documents. I bring this up because the information type of a field impacts how you search it. For example, you don't use an equal sign to search the attachment field because that information type takes a different approach to equivalency. The use of the operator is. We don't need to get into those details now, though. At this point, it's enough to understand that fields store specific types of information, and the type of information impacts how you search. Let's see examples of basic or advanced searches that use fields. Operators are another query element and are integral in clauses. Operators enable you to compare a field to a value, such as using equals to compare Max Taylor with the assignee field. If the comparison is true, then the issue is returned in the results. Let's see examples of basic or advanced searches that use operators. The classic example of an operator is equals. However, JQL supports the use of many different operators. For the purpose of your initial understanding, think of operators as falling into four categories: relational operators, time-based operators, list operators, and text operators. Earlier I mentioned that the information type of a field impacts how you search that field. The supported operators is an example of that. As you can see from this help snippet on the project field, this field supports the use of some operators, but not of others. When searching for issues, your query looks at the information that describes each issue, the value contained in each field. Values have different types, from the text used for the name of an assignee, to the date used to identify when an issue is created, to a file that is attached to an issue, to the status representing its position within your project workflow. An issue's status can be customized to reflect the processes within your organization, and being aware of your project's associated workflow can help you anticipate the possible values the status field can have. In fact, knowing the type of information stored in any field helps you search that field effectively. If you know the nature of the value, then you know what operators to use, like greater than, or less than, are functions that operate on strings, such as contains. Blindly searching without knowledge of the legal types of values in Jira makes searching more difficult, so get to know the type of information in your fields. Let's see examples of basic or advanced searches that use values. The fourth and final element we're going to look at is keywords. Keywords are different from fields and operators. Some keywords serve to join clauses together, while other keywords change the logic of one or more clauses, and others alter the results of a query. Jira Query Language supports the use of 6 keywords. Let's see examples of basic or advanced searches that use keywords.
Let's take a few moments to review what we have learned.
This tutorial built a foundation for your issue finding skills by defining some key words and concepts that are used in JQL: field, operator, value, and keyword.
Check out Atlassian University for more great Jira tutorials.